Welcome. Now let's look at another JUnit 5 annotation called @repeated test. So let's say there is a scenario that you want to run one specific test again and again, multiple times. So let's say this is your test and you want to run it 10 times. And you want to basically print the outcome of every iteration. Of course, we could, if in normal programming, we could apply a for loop and do this. But with JUnit, we get a annotation called @repeated test. So here what we do is we apply this test on top of a method which we want to test. So this is a method, unit test method. Of course, remember the test method should be always void return type and give it a name, any name you want. And now if we want, we can annotate this method with @display name so that we know what this method is doing. And this is the main annotation @repeated test where we say value is 5, which means we want to run this test 5 times, and name is every time the name we want, with each iteration we want to give it a name. So we are saying use the display name, which is this repeating test, and the current repetition, so that's it's running for the first time, so this will become 1 by total repetitions, which is 5. So it will say repeating test 1 by 5, then repeating test 2 by 5, repeating test 3 by 5, until the time, until 5 times it will run and just print this info here for us. And of course, it's doing just a dummy test. But in your real life, you will be doing a more complex test. And if there is a scenario that you want to run the test for n number of times with the same value, doing same thing, go for @repeated test. So thank you. I will see you in the next video.